We're docked in Costa Maya this morning, and there are 4 ships here. The one behind me is the Norwegian Joy, and there's a Royal Caribbean behind me on the other side. And we're about to leave the ship. It's a busy port, and we have decided that we're going to try and find a little bit of an off-the-beaten-track visit. And we booked a visit to a guest house called Casa Playa Maya, which is about 25 minutes south of the Costa Maya cruise port. I'll take some pictures, we'll see how it looks. It's a little cloudy right now, but the sun is coming out behind me, and we're hoping that we'll have a good day on the beach, away from the crowds.
Casa Playa Maya is a place that is here in this beautiful area of Costa Maya called Puerto Angel, which is actually one of the most sought after areas in all of Costa Maya because of this beautiful beach, because you have walk-in snorkeling. The Mesoamerican reef is just right out there. You can just walk out there and see turtles and rays and all kinds of fish and all kinds of beautiful things. Beautiful birds coming in. It's a very natural beach. You're not going to find very manicured and groomed and have a crew of people here. We're just a couple of people trying to share this amazing, somewhat isolated, beautiful, what we consider to be paradise. But we can take up to 6 people comfortably. And honestly, 2 or 3 is really welcomed. If you're a lone traveler and want to experience this on your own, totally welcome to do so.
One of the things I liked was that it was a good, secure transportation here that you'd arrange, so I didn't have to go and find my own transportation.
Yes, absolutely. Let us arrange the transpo for you to get you here and to get you back with plenty of time. We'll get you back early before your ship leaves, so you can have a little bit of time to look around at the shops at the port and buy some tchotchkes and some memories of Costa Maya.
And do you serve food, or do you have anything to eat? What?
So yeah, it'll be vegetarian or vegan or whatever your special diet requires.
And drinks?
Yes, we can cut some coconuts for you and have some coconut water, and you can eat some of the coconut meat. We can have some limonada, some fruit water, some of the natural things that are very popular here, some agua de piña. We're just using the local fruits that are here. We really try to use a lot of our local fruits and vegetables with our cooking and herbs that we're growing. That I made especially for you.
Oh, great.
A little bit of garlic.
And is the swimming safe? Like, I mean, is it, what's it like, the swimming here?
The swimming is awesome. Some days are beautiful and calm, and it's like a lake out there, and that's a good day for snorkeling or kayaking. But on some days that are stronger, we have boogie boards. We can have a small surfboard if you're super adventurous. But it's very safe. There's very rarely any sort of undertow that makes you feel unsafe. It's great for kids too, because often there'll be a little area of almost a baby pool that forms very close to shore. So families are welcome as well.
Good. If you're interested in an off-the-grid, color outside the lines experience when you're doing a cruise stop in Costa Maya, check this out. They'll take a maximum of 6 people, so you've got the place to yourself. It's beautiful.